Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy Ton on Tonkeeper. Let's start our video. So first open Tonkeeper, and once you are on the home screen you can see an option that says buy and sell. Just click on buy and sell, and from here you can see all the coins that you want to buy. So there are many options such as Ton, USDT, NOT, etc. So if I want to buy Toncoin, so under buy Ton you can see many providers. So these are all the providers that provide Toncoin. You can select any of these which you want. So let's say if I want to use Mercurio, then I will click on Mercurio in order to buy my Toncoin. So click on open Mercurio and it will take you to their official website. Just enter the amount that you want to buy Ton of. So let's say if I want to buy Ton coins of about $50, so it will show you exact amount of the Ton. Just click on buy, and there are two payment methods. First is Google Pay and the second one is credit or debit card. You can choose any of the you want. If I want to buy with Google Pay, I will simply click on Google Pay and then click on buy with GPay. So click on continue. It will ask you some information such as add your card number and credit card details about your that how you want to pay, also the confirmation settings. So you have to fill all the information required. After that you can successfully buy Ton from their website. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.